we're going to make something rather interesting. It's called a Mobius strip.
Stripe?
A strip. A Mobius.
What is a strip, Dada?
Well, this is a strip of paper. S-T-R-I-P. Strip.
Let me try.
You want to make one too?
Yeah.
Okay, you make a strip with the scissors. Oh, there's a bit of sticky tape stuck on there. Alright, try and cut as straight as you can a strip down there. You can do it.
Yes.
Going good.
Clever. I never made a strip.
Oh yeah. I can help a bit. Keep going straight as you can. That's it. Yep. Yep. Keep coming. Good job. We'll make a Mobius strip each. Yep. Okay.
Nice, Dada.
Yep. And
Good job.
to make a Mobius strip, what you do, you take your strip of paper and you give it one little, well, twist like that.
Dada, what did you do?
I think maybe mine is just a little bit too wide. I'm going to make it a little bit thinner. Now I've got
Dada,
this.
what did you make from this?
Oh, don't worry. Now have a look at this for a moment. I'm cutting it like this. How many pieces am I going to get when I cut it like this?
Maybe that's enough.
I'm starting with one piece. I'm going to cut it right down there. How many pieces will I get, Celine?
That's enough.
I'm going to cut.
More, Dada.
How many am I making, do you think? 2 pieces.
I need some help. I only.
You want to cut yours into 2 pieces too?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll help you. Mind fingers. Always cut away from your fingers for safety. Your scissors. Oh, that's going to be a good one. You're going really well now.
What are we going to do with the tape?
You'll see. We're going to do something very strange and surprising. We're going to make Mobius strips.
That's more good.
Here we are. To make a Mobius strip, what you have to do is hold both ends and then just turn it like that. Once over like that. So you make a little twist. And then we'll make yours in a minute. I'll finish making mine, then I'll show you. Then you go up there like that and hold it.
No, let's get the sticky tape.
And
what you're making now?
This is called a Mobius. You get a tiny piece of sticky tape and you put it on there. Then that's it. That's a Mobius strip. We made one. Maybe make it super strong. You put another piece on this side.
Dada, let's make birthday decorations with these strips.
You can make Mobius strip birthdays, all sorts of things.
We can get another piece of sticky tape and then tape this one up and stick it onto there.
Make another one. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you want to make a Mobius strip?
Yeah.
Alright. Remember how you do. You turn it over. One little twist like that. Then you join the ends together. Hold them together. Then you get some sticky tape. And just stick it on like that.
How are we going to stick it onto this?
Oh dear, that is a problem. You wanted to make a chain of Mobius strips.
Yeah.
Oh dear. Well, we'll make another one. To make a chain, we've got to go through here first. Like that. And then, you see how... now we're going to